Good day everyone, this is Denise and welcome to my channel. And today what I'm going to share with you is my first week experience at Acadium with my mentor. Okay, I'm not going to disclose the name of my mentor, but let me just share with you what I have learned and experienced in this first few week that I am collaborating with my mentor. Okay, here's the thing. I'm so happy with my mentor. He is very professional and he trusts me and very supportive. So whenever I need something, just an email, or if I have other questions, just clarification of the task that I need to do, he's there. He would reply to me like every day, and we update each other like regarding the task, the progress of what I was doing. And this afternoon I just had a quick chat with him, and he was very happy of the result of my job. And although it's not yet finished, okay, it's just the first week, but it's a good start, knowing that you have a mentor who is happy of what you have done and who trusts you. And so it is so exciting. Okay, the beauty with Acadium is that once you sign the contract, they don't just leave you with your mentor, but they will follow you, like they will support you. You get a full support from Acadium themselves. So the beauty is like they will check up on you, like how's your week, how things are going. Like in my case, as you can see here on my screen, I have my apprenticeship advisor, and her name is Jules. I don't know if you're watching this, but if you're watching this, thank you so much. Okay, and then she congratulated me, on starting my, apprenticeship and so on and so forth. And she provided me this few resources that's really helpful for my journey. If I have other questions and so on and so forth, like all these things, regarding also certificate. And that's it, guys. And then she's available. Acadium, your advisor, is available any time of the day. Like I live in Italy and Acadium is based in Canada, but whenever I have queries, they will respond to me the same day that I sent the letter or sent the email. So it's amazing, and people are so professional, they're so nice. And so that's it. And the next email that I got from Jules, like, give us a feedback regarding your mentor and so on and so forth. So I'm pretty sure it's the same thing on the side of the mentor. So this is so beautiful, guys, and I just want to encourage you to try this platform. And you will learn many things from your mentors, because life is not just staying for where you are. We have to grow, and we learn in so many ways. Whenever you interact with people and when you do stuffs, you learn and you get opinions and ideas from other people who have also experienced many things in this field, in the field of marketing. So, and it's beautiful. So I just want to encourage everyone to try this. If you just change your career and you want to try another journey in life, or you want to try another field, then this is the right platform for you. And I can guarantee you, really, I am in this platform now and I'm enjoying it. I just love how the platform works, and the people working behind the platform, and even mentors, they're amazing. And let me just tell you that after 30 minutes I'm gonna have another chat with another possible mentor. I can't disclose the name and the location, but we are like, everyone is all over the world. They're from different parts of the world, and it's amazing and beautiful. So you get to not just learn the culture of your mentor, but also learn to collaborate with other people from different parts of the world. So that's the beauty with this platform. And so that's it. So we'll see what's gonna happen later, and I'll keep you posted. So thank you so much for your watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.